Your Professional Learning Passport, or PLP, is a flexible online tool which gives you the space to capture, reflect upon, and share your learning, all with the aim of shaping your ongoing professional development and practice. Specially designed to align with your professional standards, national and regional professional learning programmes, and Welsh Government's National Professional Learning Entitlement, your PLP will help you no matter where you are on your professional learning journey. It features structured templates designed to help you get the most from every experience. Or you can get creative and capture your reflections in other ways, including audio and video. It's flexible to what works for you. What you create in and upload to your PLP is completely confidential. No one will be able to see the information you've entered unless you decide to share it. You choose which parts of your PLP you want to share and for how long. Handy for any professional development review processes. Your PLP is also supported by an app called Pebble Pocket, allowing you to capture and share information quickly and easily, anywhere, at any time. It puts you entirely in control. As an added bonus, your PLP gives you free access to EBSCO, the world's largest full-text research database for education professionals, there to help you undertake reading and research to further develop your practice and ideas. Your PLP is not linked to your employment. You just need to be registered with the EWC. Explore your PLP now by logging into your My EWC account, or for more information visit ewc.wales/PLP.